So our next type of center would be the median. The median is going to be the value that's in the exact middle of the ordered set of data. So the big thing here, the key is that you must order the data first and then find the number in the middle. If you don't order the data first, whether it's least to greatest or greatest to least, then you will get the wrong answer. So we're going back to those same test scores from the mean example. Now, instead of looking for the mean, we're looking for the median. And so we're looking for the number in the center. So we've got Miss Roberts, 85, 97, 54, 63, 91. Well, we want to order her test scores to get this. Now that those are ordered, I'm going to find the number in the center. And so in the center of this data is going to be the number 85. And so the median for her class is going to be 85%. Same thing with Miss Kitts. I need to order those test scores 75, 98, 82, 77, 77, 92. So I want to order those. Find the number in the center. Well, this is the first time I'm seeing this, but I have two numbers in the center. If you have two numbers in the center, you need to find the average of those two numbers. And so what I'm going to do is off to the side, I'm going to add those two and divide by 2. And so I'll have 77 plus 82 divided by 2. Make sure you do that numerator first, and you get 79.5 will be the median for Miss Kitts' class. And then Miss Moore, ordered data, 23, 75, 95, 100. So I need to find the average of those two because there's two numbers in the center there. So 75 plus 95 divided by 2 is going to give me an average of 85. And so based on the median, which class scored better? Well, in this case, I have a tie. So based on the median, Miss Roberts and Miss Moore's class scored the best. All right, now we're going to look at the mode. And so the mode is going to be the value that appears the most. So we've got the median, the mode, the value that occurs the most. You don't have to order it, but you do just have to look at which one is listed frequently. It is okay to have a mode of 3, 4, 5 modes. It's also okay to have not a mode. And so in this case, Miss Roberts, 85, 97, 54, 63, 91. Miss Roberts has no mode because there is not a number that is repeated. They all have a frequency of 1. Now, make a note, this is no mode. This is not a mode of 0. A mode of 0 means that you have 0 being repeated multiple times. So do not get those confused by writing 0. You have to write out no mode or none or something along those lines. All right, Miss Kitts, 75, 98, 82, 77, 77, 92. Miss Kitts has a mode of 77 because those two are being repeated. Miss Murray, 100, 95, 23, 75. She has no mode for her class because there is not a number that's being repeated. And then Miss Moore, 95, 80, 76, 80, 95. This one actually has two modes. I have a mode of 95 and I have a mode of 80. And so you would just list both of those with a comma, 80 and 95. And we say that this is bi, meaning two, modal. So it has two modes, bimodal. All right, let's look at some examples using mean, median, and mode. So here is our first example. Suppose a company employs 20 people. The president earns $300,000, the vice president earns $75,000, and the other 18 part-time employees earn $10,000. Which measure would be best for the following situations? So which measure, mean, median, or mode, would take a best picture of where most of the employees stand? So the mean, the average salary is $27,750. Well, that's not a very good picture of the company because the majority of the people are earning $10,000, but the mean makes it look like they're earning $27,000. So we're going to scratch out mean because that's not a very good picture of the company. But median and mode, both of those at $10,000, are a really good picture of the salaries of this company. And then the next one, suppose 9 students make the following scores on a test: 30, 40, 40, 40, 40, 92, 92, 93, 92, 99. Which measure would be the best in the following situations? The mean of a 68.7, the median of a 92, and mode of 40 and 92. Well, this one, what would be the best picture of the scores on a test? The mode, let me change colors. The mode, I've got 2, but very far extremes, 40 and a 92. But I've got a median of a 92 and a mean of 68.7. So this data is spread out all over the place. And so if I use the median, that's going to give a very unclear picture because it looks like, oh, well, a lot of people got 92. But not really. I just had data all over the place. So we're going to throw out median. And so the best picture of this is either going to be the mean, the average, 68.7, to show that I've got really low numbers, 30, and really high numbers, 99. Or the mode is probably the best one because it shows both ends. It shows the 40 and the high end of the 92.